Look at this channel, it has gained 100k subscribers just by uploading AI motivational shorts videos. It's making $200 to $3,000 per month from ads alone. Hello, and welcome back to the Learn Up Another New AI video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create viral motivational shorts video using AI. I bet, after watching this video you can earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month by making such viral motivational shorts videos. So don't skip the video and watch it carefully until the end. Okay, before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To create viral motivational short videos, first we need to create image or talking photo. We need some prompts to create talking photos. Before that, let's take a look at the top 5 motivational speakers in the world. So I'm searching on Google. Well, Google has given us many motivational speaker results. From here I will work with Tony Robbins. You can choose any one of your choice. Okay, let's make some prompts for creating talking photos. I am using DupDub to generate the prompt. DupDub is an all-in-one tool where you will get text-to-speech, AI talking photo, AI writing, video editing, speech-to-text, voice store, voice cloning and more. Since I will be creating prompts, I am moving to AI writing. Click on Try for free from here. Now create an account with Google, Facebook or email. This is the DupDub AI writing tool interface. Click Ask AI Writing from here or click the / button from the keyboard. With this tool you can write social media content, video scripts, marketing pitches, tutorials, product descriptions and more. Since I will create prompts, I am writing, write me some prompts to create Tony Robbins image for creating AI talking avatar. After entering it, click on this icon or click Enter button from keyboard. It will automatically write some prompts in front of you. After writing, a pop-up will show in front of you. If you are satisfied, then click Done button. Otherwise, click on Continue button to write more. That's enough for me, so I'm clicking the Done button. Okay, our prompt creation is done. Now we will create the avatar image. I am using Leonardo AI to create the image. You can use any tool. After logging in Leonardo AI, copy any prompt of your choice from DupDub and paste it here. Now select how many images you want to create at once. Aspect ratio, for short videos, select 9:16. Okay, once done, hit the Generate button to create images. It will take some time to complete. Well, this is the image of Tony Robbins. If you're not satisfied with it, you can recreate it from another prompt. I tried another prompt. Okay. I like it, so I'm downloading it. Okay, our avatar image creation is done. Now it's time to create some motivational speeches. I'm going back to DupDub AI Writing to create motivational speeches. After coming here you can write a conversation where Tony Robbins discusses the importance of a positive mindset and how it can impact success. Okay, our motivational speeches are done. Now copy and paste it into Google Docs. Well, talking avatars, our last step is to create an AI talking avatar. Before that we will generate some text-to-speech. Let's copy the first step from the content we created using DupDub AI. Now click on More Options to change the voiceover. Here you will find different voices that you can choose any one of your choice. You can customize quality, emotion style, language, gender, scenario, age, and also character emotion. Once the voiceover is selected, click on the Confirm button. Click Music to add background music to the voiceover. Here you will find some background music you can use if you want. Once everything is done, click Export button to download the voiceover. You can download it many formats like WAV, MP3, MP4, MP4 with subtitles, and SRD. I am downloading MP3 format as I will make talking avatar. Okay, almost done with making our motivational shorts video. Our last step is to create the AI avatar. Let's do it. Click on AI Talking Photo to create AI Talking Avatar. And then click Try for Free button. After coming here, click New Talking Photo. Oops, I made a mistake. Dub tools are available to create AI avatars or text to images. Simply click Generate AI Avatar button, type your prompt and click the Generate button. It will generate the image as per your prompt. Since I have already created the image, so I am using it. Click the Upload button to upload your desired image. Then click on Next button. Now click on Add Audio to upload your audio file. There are 4 options. The first is AI voiceover, through which you can create voiceover from text. Second is record, through which you can record your voice directly. Third is audio file, through which you can upload audio files from your laptop or desktop. And lastly, number 4 is video file, through this you can upload video files from desktop. Okay, since I have already created the voiceover, so I am uploading it. You can try these. Once the audio file is uploaded, click the Make Talking Photo button. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the processing. You will be notified via mail as soon as it is done. Okay. Our video is ready. If you want, you can edit it with Dub video editing tools. Otherwise, click on the 3-dot icon to download it. It is very important to use captions or subtitles to make the video more interesting. I am using CapCut to add subtitles to videos, because it is a free software. Okay, after opening CapCut software, click on Import option and upload your desired video. Now drag it to the timeline. Go to Text and click on Auto Caption. Now select your language. And hit the Create button. It will automatically generate subtitles. Okay, our auto caption creation is done. Let's customize it. First, I'll go to the caption, because it's too long. I want it to display only 2 words. To do this, just select and hit Enter button. Okay, it's done. Now customize the text. Select preset style of text, font size, font style, and more. Okay, when everything is done, click the Export button and save it to your device. Select file location, resolution, and others. Once done, click on Export button again. And finally, let's see its final result.
Our mindset is like the lens through which we view the world. When we have a positive mindset, we're more likely to see opportunities instead of obstacles, and we're better equipped to handle challenges that come our way. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our actions, and ultimately our results. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can tap into our full potential and achieve the success we desire.
Thanks for watching this video. The keys to creating motivational viral short videos using the power of AI. I hope you found these tips helpful in unleashing your creativity and making an impact online. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on AI, motivation, and digital creativity, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Before you go, let me know in the comments which AI tools you're excited to try for your next viral short. And, of course, share your success stories with the community. We're all in this together. Thank you.